Hello everyone. Let's dive into the GMK67 white Japanese mechanical keyboard. This keyboard aims to deliver a premium custom experience without breaking the bank. First impressions are strong. The 65% layout strikes a great balance, offering essential keys while maintaining a compact footprint. The white Japanese keycaps give it a clean, unique aesthetic that really stands out. It's a look that blends functionality with visual appeal. The GMK67 features a gasket mount design, a feature usually found in higher-end keyboards. This, combined with the pour-on dampening, creates a noticeably softer and more comfortable typing experience. The sound is also improved, reducing harshness and creating a more pleasant acoustic profile. Connectivity is versatile, offering Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and Type-C wired options. This makes it easy to switch between devices and use the keyboard in various setups, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet. The built-in 3000 mAh battery provides ample power for extended use, so you won't be constantly reaching for a charger. One of the standout features is the hot swappable design. The GMK67 supports both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving you the freedom to experiment with different switch types without soldering. The keyboard comes with pre-lubed linear switches, which feel smooth and responsive right out of the box. The pre-lubing makes a noticeable difference, reducing scratchiness and improving overall key feel. The switches are also designed to self-lubricate over time, ensuring consistent performance. Customization is a key aspect of the GMK67. It's VIA programmable, allowing you to remap keys, create macros, and customize the RGB lighting to your liking. The volume knob is a welcome addition, providing convenient control over audio levels. In summary, the GMK67 white Japanese mechanical keyboard offers a compelling package for those looking to get into custom mechanical keyboards. Its gasket mount design, hot swappable switch compatibility, versatile connectivity, and programmability make it a standout option in its price range. The pre-lubed switches and unique Japanese keycaps add to its appeal, making it a keyboard that looks and feels great to use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly custom keyboard that doesn't compromise on features or performance, the GMK67 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.